All right, people, welcome to Slick Across Borders. Now, Japa to Finland 2026, the step-by-step blueprint, down the new 6-year rule. Okay, the blueprint promise. If you're planning your move to Finland, you've probably heard it takes 4 years to get your permanent residency. But as of January 8, 2026, that blueprint has been completely rewritten. You heard that right. Now, most people are still following old maps. Today, I'm giving you the Slick Across Borders blueprint. The exact 3 parts to staying in Finland permanently under the new 2026 laws. Okay? Now let's take the part 1, the standard part, the 6-year rule. Part number 1 is now the standard for most Nigerians and all other nationalities outside of the EU. It is no longer 4 years. It is 6 years of continuous residence. But time isn't the only requirement. You now must have 2 years of work history in Finland. You heard that right. Satisfactory language skills, level B1 in Finnish or Swedish. If you've relied on social benefits for more than 3 months, your clock might even reset. That's you starting all over again. This is the part the soft life videos don't mention. We look at part 2, the higher or the high earner fast track. Can you still get PR in 4 years? Yes, but the bar is high. If your annual income is 40,000 euros or more, you can still apply after 4 years. In this part, the language and work history requirements are waived because of your economic contribution to Finland. If you are a tech professional or a specialist, this is your target. Part 3, the graduate advantage. The best news is for those with a Finnish master's or PhD. If you graduate here in Finland, you can get PR after 4 years. If you have 2 years of work history, and if you have a Finnish degree, the language requirement is lower. You only need to show you are developing level A2 in the Finnish language. This is the smartest way to move if you are under 40 years. The summary of all of these things is this. The 2026 blueprint is clear. Finland wants people who walk, speak the language, and integrate. Don't let old information ruin your Japa plans. I've put the official Migri links in the description so you can verify everything I've said. Subscribe to Slick Across Borders